Ooh. Pero that's really smart, no? If you're a city that ba, you have to do something to attract your
Experience?
your tourists anak. You have to do something, and that's really
I
good.
said experience. Attract your experience.
Mm-hmm. So is this a good idea? Can Cebu do something like this? What do you think,
With a
JB?
tram?
Oh yeah, I don't know si Chongbian dad ba? Nakakita lagi ko nagputang siya sa Facebook na daw cable car. I don't know kung
Cable car
sa
ka?
Cebu. Estudyante sa CIE.
I've never seen a tram in Cebu.
Wow, kanindot anyway. Let me take pictures.
Different one, different looking, and different feel.
Dyan sa na yun. Wala
But
ko
maybe
pasabot. Ano yung
still-
pasabot kaon ko dirig apple. Nag, look. You have to look front. Look at the cars lining up.
It's a twisty street.
They call it the Crooked Street.
I call it the steep off Los Angeles, but I call it the twisty because it's twisty.
Pero amazing kay dad. Not look at the streets, dad. Look at Lombard Street. Bayag yun kay siya nga. Nikat-kat lang siya bukid. Pero straight gapon kayo.
They made it like this way because the hill's too steep.
Yes, anak, and they also wanna invite tourists to come here. So look at those people. Look, they're lining up. Even when I was here very early, anak, they were already here. Daghan na kay tao din ganiya pa. Katong ikaw di ay Lili.
What happened to the like my bowling here?
Gamay ra.
They're like,
Itong rasa. Apit pa mas nahis. Alas nuibi dito.
Beautiful here, JB. Is it? Oh. Hi. Okay, that's the Golden Gate Bridge. Alcatraz and far away. And this is walking in the beach in San Francisco. And that's Daddy.
Is it me?
That is you. And what about you? Hey boy, you cold? You shaking? Hey, it's cold. Shake and show mommy cold. Show mommy cold. How it's like to be cold. Shake it. Shake it tonight. This is what we came here for. Because we could not go to the near woods, so we're just stuck here, and that's the way. You like it?